Hey, it's Rod here from Full Drive CQ Land Cruisers. Just having a quick chat about one of my favourite things that we use in our kit. Everybody talks about their modifications. I reckon this is the smallest modification that I carry for my full drive, but the best. We use it every time we go out. We do a lot of beach work. We've lived in Cape York and Bamaga, and these Staun Tyre Deflators, I think they're one of the best bits of kit that a beginner full driver could buy. It's just simply to tire deflate. They're just a unit. You set them. I've set mine to 18 psi, and all you do is you go around and you screw them on, the four of them onto your tyre, and it deflates your tyre to 18 psi or whatever you set your tyres for your beach work or track work or whatever. But the best part that I like about these, in comparison to what we used to use, which was an ARB tyre deflator, is the fact that these don't remove the valve. All they simply do is press on the valve, you preset them, and by the time that I've put the first one on, second, third and fourth, come back round, it's done. So for anybody that's going to spend under $100 on a really good modification for their full drive, I recommend Staun Tyre Deflators. Thanks.